When a person performs any act in Islam which is for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he finds hardship in that act, the reward is greater. Hajj season, people travel from their countries. They travel to Makkah al-Mukarramah, then from there to Mina, Arafat, Muzdalifah, and they perform the various rites of Hajj. During those 5 days, from the 8th of Zulhijjah till the 12th, and for some even the 13th, there's a lot of hardship. Weather conditions, we're not used to them. Extremely hot, scorching heat. We don't have access to the normal facilities that we would be able to avail. We have to stay in the camps, and we have to do things for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We have to bear hardship. So when a person leaves for Hajj, he should go with this intention, with this mindset that yes, I will face difficulties. It's not going to be plain sailing. What's the reward? Allah ta'ala will forgive me, and I will earn His rida. If we continuously think like this, that I'm doing this for Allah, then we won't be complaining. We won't be saying to others, oh, I didn't think it was going to be this hard. I can't bear this. It's too much. No. وَأَتِمُّ الْحَجَّ وَالْعُمْرَةَ لِلَّهِ. Al-Quran al-Kareem tells us, do Umrah and Hajj for Allah. When you know it's for Allah, you are willing to bear any sort of hardship you go through. You are willing to bear any pain. Why? Because it's for your Creator. If your Creator becomes pleased with you, there's nothing better than that. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us tawfiq to bear hardships in order to attain the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.